Okay, quick little video. This is the brake switch on the series Land Rover. It's a pain in the neck. You have to keep adjusting it there. You move it a little bit and the brakes, well, the light will come on and stay on. You have to adjust it back. It's just a complete pain in the neck. What you do, you unplug the things off there, plug the leads off, pull them back through bulkhead, back to this side. A nice Peugeot stop there. Basically, these are the two leads. I've put new ends on them. Connect them onto one of these switches. And what I've done with this, I've made a little bracket along here. It's basically a flat bar. And what I did, I welded another bit of flat bar to it. But if you just cut that out of plate, if you didn't have access to a welder, bend it up, drill 3 holes in it, picks up off the top 2 bolts there, and then you can see it working. It's basically, it's on now, off, on, off, on. Simple as that. The switch, I think, costs about £5 off eBay. You can get, it's off a Peugeot 106, but it's fitted to thousands of French vehicles. You can get all sorts of switches that same design. Copy that idea. Didn't even need to lengthen the wires either. Simple, and it works loads better.